Namaste to everyone. Now we are in Dari Devi Temple in Srinagar, Uttarakhand. So now we are going to visit the temple. We are going to take the blessings of Divine Mother, and through this beautiful our video, we are gonna show you the best of this place. So let's go and let's see. So now we are going to Gauri Kund, which is about 4 to 5 kilometers away. So now we are gonna take a cab, or probably, if we can, we will do track. So let's see. We are looking for cab, and we are gonna show you a lot of things. So now we are in Gauri Kund temple. So here we have hot spring, natural hot spring. So we are gonna take a bath, so that in very early morning we don't need to do it, because during morning it is very cold here. So we have decided to take a bath right now. Weather is beautiful, so I'm gonna give you a beautiful view. So it is natural hot spring, and it is very rare in nowadays due to high constructions in the mountains. You can even see the vapor coming out from the water. Check out. So we are back, and now we are going for our dinner. Weather is getting chilled slowly. We are already checked in our room, and now we are hungry. So we are gonna literally enjoy our meals. So let's go. Har Har Mahadev. So now we have covered halfway of our track to Kedarnath temple. It's been amazing experience tracking towards up, and now as you can see over the board, so from here base camp is around 9 kilometer and Kedarnath is merely 10.5. Then there is Bhimbali and small Linchholi. So we are gonna cover all the places soon, and we will be keep giving you updates and beautiful views of this magical mountains. Now we have arrived in Army Base Camp. It has been wonderful journey. It is so rejuvenating. We are feeling so blessed, and we are quite close to Kedarnath temple. I'm gonna give you beautiful view of snow mountain just right front of us. Let's check it. So something that I would cordially suggest to all youngsters, that whenever you visit Kedarnath, kindly do the trek by walk. Do not take mules or chopper, because the energy you put to get here, and once you are here, it is fully rewarding, and that experience you can't get in chopper, nor you can get in mules. So whenever you are here, kindly do walk. It doesn't necessary to walk or run on the track. Just simply keep walking, enjoy the track, and very easily you will be here, and it is fully rewarding. So if possible, we will be experiencing an evening aarti of Kedarnath temple, and definitely we will try to get you inside the temple to show how the daily worshipping takes place. So I'll catch you there in the temple. So thank you so much. Har Har Mahadev. So now we have arrived in the temple. So you can see this beautiful temple, Kedarnath. You can also check out the snow mountains right behind the temple. Namaste. Right now we are in Bhairav temple, which is right above Kedarnath temple, within distance of around 800 meters. So whenever you visit Kedarnath temple, please visit here to experience beautiful view of snow mountains. like to sing few lines of one of beautiful song. It's from Kedarnath movie, and today we are in Kedarnath, and so I believe we should sing this song because it's beautiful, it's meaningful. So here we go. सृष्टि के जन्म से भी पहले तेरा वास था, ये जग रहे या ना रहे, रहेगी तेरी आस था।
क्या समय क्या प्रलय, दोनों में तेरी महानता महानता महानता। नमो नमो जी शंकरा, भोलेनाथ शंकरा, जय त्रिलोकनाथ शंभु हे शिवाय शंकरा। नमो नमो जी शंकरा, भोलेनाथ शंकरा, रुद्रदेव हे महेश्वरा।